Building a network and assembling a winning team. Felix Dennis emphasizes that achieving wealth is not a solitary endeavor. It necessitates the strategic use of networks and the assembly of a competent, motivated team. Creating and leveraging a robust network is paramount to success, as it's through people that opportunities, knowledge, and resources flow. The ability to form and sustain meaningful relationships with a wide range of individuals can catapult an entrepreneur to new heights. Networking is both an art and a science. Dennis advises aspiring entrepreneurs to be proactive in seeking out connections. This means attending industry events, engaging in community activities, and being open to opportunities to meet and collaborate with others. The goal is to weave a web of contacts who can provide insights, support, and access to further opportunities. However, it's crucial to approach networking with sincerity and a genuine interest in others. Networking solely for personal gain can often be transparent and off-putting. Instead, Dennis encourages nurturing relationships built on mutual respect and benefit. Selecting the right people to join your team is another cornerstone of building wealth. Dennis notes that while your ideas may be the spark, it's the people who will turn those ideas into reality. When assembling a team, it's essential to look beyond mere qualifications. While expertise and experience are important, the true measure of a potential team member lies in their passion, alignment with the company's vision, and their willingness to embrace challenges. Dennis underscores the importance of diversity within a team. Various perspectives can ignite innovation and creativity, allowing the business to approach problems and opportunities from multiple angles. Motivating the team is equally critical. Compensation is just one part of the equation. Dennis points out that recognizing the efforts of team members, giving them a sense of purpose, and ensuring that they feel valued are all vital components of fostering motivation. Open communication is essential. When team members feel heard and understood, their commitment and productivity often soar. Dennis also advises on the importance of delegating effectively. Trust in your team's capabilities and avoid the trap of micromanaging. Empower them to make decisions and take ownership of their tasks. This not only helps in personal development but also in building a sense of responsibility and dedication towards the company's goals. Leadership is the glue that binds a team together. Dennis shares insights into effective leadership, emphasizing the need for a clear vision and the capability to inspire others to share in that vision. A good leader sets an example through their actions and maintains a balance between being approachable and authoritative. Continuous improvement as a leader involves self-reflection, seeking feedback, and being willing to adapt and grow alongside your team and business. In summary, Felix Dennis highlights that networking and team building are indispensable elements in the journey to wealth. Building a network entails forming genuine relationships that can lead to opportunities and support. Assembling a winning team involves selecting passionate, diverse individuals who share the company's vision and can contribute significantly to its success. Keeping the team motivated and maintaining effective leadership are key factors that ensure sustained progress and achievement. Through these interconnected strategies, Dennis articulates how harnessing the power of people is central to building and maintaining wealth.